Just sit here with a beer and enjoy all day. Yeah, I do like it. I feel like I'm 15 again.
No, it's fun.
Okay, HPI E10 Jeep Drifter with Mo for the first time trying to drift. Oh, we got an audience. Woohoo. Keep in mind, he never drifted before. First time ever trying.
This is actually fun. I like it. I'm a pro drifter. No, I'm right. I'm right.
We call this sliding with style. Keep going. Hey, you managed to hit all the cones. Oh, lost the windshield. Keep going. It's okay. Oh, that's it. You gotta hide.
Amazing.
So how do you like drifting?
Pretty cool. I love it.
So when are you gonna get your own drifter?
I don't know. Maybe sometime soon, to be honest.
There we go. We have Aaron trying drifting for the first time now. I'm gonna make everybody sick here. They're all gonna want one. Come on, you gotta come over here. You're too far for the video. It's a drifter, not a racer. Come on, drift, drift, drift.
Right beside you. Perfect.
No, that's a hole.
He's upstairs looking for
So you like?
Sit here with a beer and enjoy all day. Yeah, I do like it. I feel like I'm 15 again.
Okay, now I'm gonna try it. I'm probably not better, but I might be. So what kind of damage I can do.
There goes the pylon.
It's like a drift around the pylon.
Damn hole. Take those holes. I gotta fix the concrete here. Anyways, guys, hope you like this video.
See you next time.